So I think CAR T is a really interesting field. Each CAR construct is unique. And not only is the construct unique, but how you manufacture it is unique. So some of the things I didn't mention about our platform is we use rapid manufacturing, which might be another reason that patients do well with this construct is you get a more naive CAR T cell product. And with the more naive product, you might get better expansion, better kinetics, better response. And so we sort of incorporate a lot of different aspects into this package. Short manufacturing, dual targeted construct, and also we do a fresh infusion. So we don't cryopreserve the product, we actually administer the CAR T cells fresh. And so together, this package could be ways to improve upon current CAR T cell therapies by innovating not just the construct, but the other pieces around it. And so we think that these things are going to be important to both help the delivery of CAR T and improve the efficacy of this treatment.